Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are doing, it's been a while, a FABFITFUN unboxing. I used to do a FABFITFUN unboxing every single season because this is a quarterly subscription box. However, during the pandemic I actually stopped buying it and they weren't doing PR at the time, but they recently reached out wanting to send me the summer box. So today, that is exactly what we're going to do. Jump in to the summer FABFITFUN. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I am posting. So if you want to jump into the summer FABFITFUN seasonal box with me, stay tuned. All right, so jumping into the details before we jump in, the FABFITFUN membership is a quarterly subscription box, so you get one box every 3 months for a year for $47.99, and then I believe there's some taxes and shipping on top of that, so let's call it about $50. They claim that it is up to $300 value of every single box, and you will get up to 6 items per box. Now, what I love about FABFITFUN in the past is that it is one of the most customizable boxes. Like, you literally get to shop your box so you know exactly what you're getting. And they have some of the best add-ons compared to the subscription boxes I've tried, where they have so many items that you can shop and have included in your seasonal box. Now, I also forgot to mention, this is not sponsored at all. However, there is a link in the bio for you to subscribe if you're interested. I don't know if it's a commission link, so I'm going to say that it is, so that I'm not lying. If it's not, it's fine, but I think it is. That'll be in the description box as well if you did want to subscribe. I did get to select the 6 items in the box like a subscriber would, and we're going to jump into what I chose and why. Now, when we jump into whether or not this box is worth it, the answer to me is always, would I be better off taking 50 bucks and going and buying myself something I want, or getting the subscription? I also do want to say that you'll notice there's not a whole lot as far as makeup or skincare in here. I get a lot of makeup and skincare and PR, so I definitely went more in the lifestyle product area. So that is why you're not going to see a ton of makeup and skincare in the box. All right, jumping right in. This box is absolutely massive. I do not remember the prices of anything in here, and they are not labeled, and because it's this type of box, you don't really get like a list of all of the breakdown. We're going to jump right in. First up, you know what? I'm going to Google. I have Google right here. Google is free. First, from Malin & Getz, this is the Rum Hand and Body Wash. It is a gel foaming cleansing gel. Uses dark rum with amino acids and glycerin to purify and hydrate your skin. This is a $26 value. I picked this up, first off, because I love a good hand soap. Second, I love a good body wash. It smells very clean. Yeah, it doesn't have like a masculine fragrance or a feminine fragrance. It just kind of smells neutral. Looking at what it claims the scent is, it doesn't. But according to the reviews, there's a lot of people who like the scent. Yeah, it does smell really nice. I feel like I'm going to use this more as a body wash than I would as a hand wash, but you could use it either way. Knowing how sleek the bottle is and how cute it is, it's probably going to go in my guest shower, which my shower does not have a tub, so anytime I have like a bubble bath night, it's in that shower, so it's not like guests are the only ones who will use it. I will definitely use it, but on bubble bath nights. Next, this is from Dime Optics. This is it just says sunglasses. On their website, all of the sunglasses, like every single pair on here, are priced between like $30 and $35. So I'm going to go ahead and assume that this is a $30 to $35 pair. 30. I found this pair online. This is a $30 value. I did already unpack these and try them on. I'm not sure how I feel, and I definitely want your reaction. But it is a pink reflective matte black. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Every time I get like an aviator sunglasses, I always feel like it doesn't work for my like face shape. They're also really big. And lately I've liked a smaller sunglass, but when I saw the like pinky purple lens, and it's definitely a little pinkier in person, on camera it looks more purple, but I think I like it. What do you guys think? Do I have the face shape to pull this off as I pull curls out of my hair? All right, 2 in, so far, so good. The next item is from the brand. It is a distressed vegan leather wallet from the brand. Hello, I am made from 80% recycled materials. I don't know what the brand is, but I remember this was like $50 or so. Now, this is the wallet. I got this because Brandon and I will be traveling soon, and having a larger something like this when you are traveling for like all of your stuff in one place. Obviously, we will have our wallet separate, but like for passports and things that you might need, having one of these is kind of cool. It is Free People. That is the brand. This is Free People. It feels very high quality, feels super soft. The hardware is nice. The zippers are working well. This is kind of cute. I feel like this would be a really cool travel item, especially because it does have the wrist strap. So if you're used to carrying around a bag, but you're on vacation, kind of a cute clutch moment. I think I like it. What do you think? I did not realize that I got 2 bag items. This is from Lily Pulitzer. This is a card case. Now I got this again because I'm traveling. I didn't know what would be a more appropriate size. It is a little card case with an ID slot, and it is a little bag for just little things. I remember in college, everybody had these for like their IDs, and I remember it being super easy to travel with, especially with like, you're traveling and you need all your stuff in one spot. It's a little smaller, so I don't know which one would work, but they're both cute. I have no issues with either. I will probably keep one and end up giving the other to like my sister or something. I think I'm gonna go for this one and give her that one. All right, 2 more items. This one I was so excited for when I saw it online, and then in person, I actually don't love it, and I'm hoping I'm wrong, and I'm hoping that it's gonna grow on me. This is from the brand Short Stories, and it is a ceramic tray. It is 14 inches by 4 inches, so it is a long one. It is very heavy, but online it looked like it was black. In person, it's like a navy blue. I love things like this for like out in my dining room or on my entryway table where you put like keys and stuff. I just thought it was a really cute platter. And again, it looks nice. I wish it was black, and it is navy blue. So I'm hoping that I can get over the blue and end up really liking it, but everything like decor-wise in my living room is like black, and I like floor to ceiling black velvet curtains. Like I like black and dark, and blue and black, in my opinion, do not mix well. All right, and the last item, because you can never have too many water bottles, I have a giant one that I keep in front of me at all times, and it comes with me around the house. This is from Pop Sugar, and this is one of those, it's a 32 ounce. This one, for reference, is a 40 ounce, so same height, but this one's gonna be a little bit less water in it. And it's one of the ones that has all of the little, like, at 2 p.m. you should be here, 8 a.m. you should be here, etc. And it's telling you to drink at least 2 of these a day. And I really love that. 32 ounces twice a day is about a half gallon of water, which to me it's what you recommend. I usually do 3 40 ounces a day, which means I'm drinking up to a gallon. But if you're somebody who has an issue with water intake, this is one of the things that I think could be really good for you. It is a really nice blue-green tone. It's definitely more green than blue. But cute wrist strap, definitely good for the gym. Has a straw, which I definitely prefer. Even mine has a little straw. And it has a lock so that it won't open or leak in your bag. I really like this. And I really like the color. I mean, normally, again, everything I do is like super neutral, black, white, gray. So having something that's a little more of a pop of color, I think I'm going to enjoy. So looking at this really quickly and the 6 items I have, I definitely think this box was absolutely worth the $50 that we said we were looking for. And I think I'm most excited. About the sunglasses and the body wash. I think these are the 2 that I'm the most excited for. I love having a bunch of water bottles because it means I don't have to wash one every single, like, day. I can use mine for a day and then put it in the sink and then get a new one, and I don't have to, like, every single day empty it, wash it, and reuse the same one. So I have, like, 8 or 9 water bottles so that I'm constantly rotating. And that makes me very happy because it means I don't, because like, not for nothing, I love a clean water bottle. I will use a clean one every single day. However, if I had to use the same one and get out the bottle brush and do all of that every single day, I would go mad. I usually wait until there's 2 or 3 and then clean all of them at the same time. So if that's something that you have an issue with, get extra water bottles so you're drinking clean water. All right, like I said in the intro, I will put a link in the description box with how to subscribe if you are interested in getting FABFITFUN. Again, I don't know if it's a commission link or not, but I'm going to put it in there anyway. If it is, I will put in the commission that it is a commission link description. If it is, I will update the description box to say that it is a commission link. If it's not, again, no big deal, no pressure, but something I can share with you is the link in the bio. As always, let me know your thoughts down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!